Hello guys, my name is Justin.
My name is Radit.
My name is Cherish.
We are from
We're
Binus
from
Bekasi.
Binus, Bekasi.
We were
Uh,
helped by Mr. Nuno, Mr. Shakti, Mr. Edo, and Miss May.
The biggest problem that we have right now is global warming. It is causing climate change and increasing temperature over the years. Our competition category is passive ventilation system. We chose this because active ventilation system is one of the main reason that the global warming happens because of the man-made gases and the increase of electricity consumption. The solution and how it solves the problem. As I've said earlier, we will solve this problem by using the passive ventilation system. It will decrease electricity consumption and the use of man-made gases. Our plan is to reduce the use of man-made gases and electricity consumption so it won't inject bad gases into the air. Therefore, we will reduce the damage that we've done to the atmosphere. Prototype and how it works. This is our prototype. We've combined the stack ventilation system, temperature buffer, and the wind buffer. The stack ventilation system works by sucking in the hot air, which is higher than the cool air from every rooms in our prototype. Our temperature buffer works by sucking in the air from the outside, decreases the temperature of the air, and blowing it again into the inside. And lastly, the wind buffer, which was built to change the direction of the wind going through the house. Evaluation of the solution. Our solution was a success. Even though we still need to improve it, we've tested it with smoke and the smoke escapes from every direction, going out through the windows and even through the vents. We've tested with 77 degrees Celsius hot air, and the prototype has decreased the temperature significantly so that the room temperature inside the house is only around 33 degrees Celsius. With normal air, we got around 27 degrees Celsius. And lastly, we've tested the direction of the air moving throughout the house. The roof and wind buffer also works. It deflected the air. And the fans also work by sucking in the air from the outside. For future improvements, we might be using water reservoir for the temperature buffer to decrease the room temperature even more. Better model architecture, better materials, more effective vents, and adjust the amount of windows according to the building. Well, what is the role of STEM here? We've applied STEM to our project, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. We've applied science when we weld the tin to the cable. We've applied technology when we tested the prototype using the temperature gun. We've applied engineering when we have to make the ventilation system and wind buffer because we need to know where the wind is moving. Lastly, we've applied math when we make the design of the house since we have to cut the impra board, the cutting board, and we also need to measure the fan so that it would fit in the pipe. We've learned that the ventilations in houses are really important because they need to vent out the hot air from inside the house. We've also learned that our fans really help cool down the house. And that's all from us, and thank you for watching.